Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you how to win Temu Farmland tips and tricks. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you've been grinding away trying to win those free gifts on Temu Farmland, it can definitely feel like the game stretches out forever. There is a lot of conflict advices out there, so let's break down how it actually works and if you're trying to navigate the system. Now, first off, you have to realize that Timo is basically structured to favor active buyers. So if you want to maximize your chances, they heavily incentivize accounts, age, and total spending. Now, the platform likes to see that you've been actively using your account for at least 3 months, and your odds get a big boost if you've built up a lifetime spending history of at least $500 or more on regular orders. Temu tracks all of this to separate casual clickers from serious users. Now, if you want to speed up your progress, you can actually buy specific lucky draw coupons directly from their deals listing. Now, you can just pick a coupon that fits your budget and activate it in your account. Now, the trick here is that each coupon grants you a specific number of entries or extra water boost. Now, the more expensive the coupon, the more entries you get, which is basically their way of letting you skip a lot of daily grinding by paying to fast track your crop growth. Now, once you've done your daily task or activated your entries, it really just comes down to patience. Now, you have to wait for Temu to officially roll out their milestone drops or announce the results of the lucky draw phase, which they usually do about 1 to 2 weeks in advance. But my best advice here is to keep a close eye on the calendar so you don't miss the announcement date and let your progress slip away. Now, of course, if you're just starting out, you can't do any of this without setting up your account, right? So you need to register with your real accurate details on their website or app, and make sure you complete the phone and email verification. So Timo also makes full identity verification mandatory if you want to participate in these big reward draws. So you'll need to finish their account verification process before you can even think about claiming prizes. Now, just a realistic heads up here though. Now, while you can play for free, the game is designed to slow down to crawl to at the very end. So sometimes taking moments just to finish that last 0.01% unless you actively you're actively making purchases or referring friends. So if you don't mind the wait, it can be a fun little daily routine here, but just be ready for a long-term commitment if you don't want to spend real cash. But that's about it. So, if you found this video, hit the like and share button and watch our next video.